Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to review Txex. Txex claims to be crypto trading or investment service, but it has no verified financial licenses, so your money isn't legally protected. The platform shows classic scam trades, slick marketing, fake profit claims, fake dashboards, no transparency without ownership, and high-pressure tactics to deposit more money. Users report that withdrawing money often becomes impossible once funds are deposited. Extra fees, taxes, or verification costs are demanded before withdrawals. Txex encourages users to recruit others to unlock rewards, showing patterns typically of Ponzi-style schemes. Scammers operate via WhatsApp, Telegram, or other messaging groups to push others into investing and recruiting others. Financial authorities have warned that the Txex is part of investment scams, advising people to avoid it entirely. Now let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, it has a professional-look interface that may seem credible at first glance. It claims to offer crypto trading and investment opportunities. On the downside, it is unlicensed and unregulated, no legal protection for funds. It also shows withdrawal issues and extra fees are commonly reported. It uses referral or recruitment schemes typically of scams. It has deceptive marketing and fake profit claims. You will have a high risk of financial loss. That's why it's widely considered as a scam. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.